Adventures here. I'm Megan.
And I'm Didi.
And this week we are at the Liberty Lykia adult only, all-inclusive in Oludeniz, Turkey. Welcome. This is a standard economy forest view room, I believe. And this is whatever room was the least expensive option on the website. We will start with the bathroom.
Pretty good size, huh?
So the toilet is separate from the shower, which is nice, but the door to the toilet is about maybe a quarter of an inch thick and open on the top. So make sure whoever you're sharing a room with, you're comfortable. Okay, and we have food storage option in here. We have Didi's favorite, the mini fridge that comes with
sodas, beer, water, juice, iced tea, all kind of good stuff, guys. All kind of sugar. And our coffee machine too.
Come into the bedroom. Okay, we have a nice big bed. They even put some rose petals on the bed today. And a bar of chocolate. How nice. There's a TV. It swings around. You can put it in different positions. Pretty big couch right here. A third person can definitely sleep in the room, no problem. They even have extra bedding in the closet that you could put on the couch. And then the best part is the balcony. It's really nice. There's privacy, the way that they built these balconies. Like, I can't see the neighbors can't see me, so that's pretty nice.
We have a mountain on this side, and to our right there is the ocean.
Oh yeah, we have a tiny sea view right through the corner if you look just right.
Nice. Welcome to my crib. Let's go for breakfast.
Good selection.
What did you get for breakfast?
Tomato, eggs, and strawberry jam.
And a side of salt.
Can't go wrong with strawberry jam.
Has that been your favorite thing that you've eaten in Turkey?
That is the eggs, the tomatoes, and the strawberry jam are my favorites.
I got a croissant.
Oh, I got a croissant also, yeah.
Baked potatoes, cheese pastry, French toast, omelette, menemen, and baked beans. What about you? What did you get?
I got one potato, a slice of watermelon, some yogurt, granola. I think this is like French toast bites, and one dried apricot. We're in one of the dining rooms now.
Just eat and go to the gym for 30 minutes and then go back and eat again.
That is exactly the plan.
That's kind of what I figured.
Which one are you doing today?
I'm not sure yet. I'm going to check it.
Good night. What are you doing in the gym today?
I don't know, a bit of everything. Just woke up, so I'm still trying to decide. Take you to a spot where you can find empty sunbeds and shade.
Yeah, let's do it.
Back here.
Nice. This is perfect. Great spine, Didi.
Nice.
Do you have full shade?
I have a good shade.
We can open that umbrella next to you if you need more
I have good shade.
Take it.
Yep.
Move pretty fast.
This is a stage where the entertainment happens nightly.
We're on the adult side. Now we are going to the all access side.
This is the secret route I wanted to take you on.
So throughout the property, other than the main entries, they have these kind of gates so that, you know, they keep the crowd, basically the children away, I guess. So you have to use your room keys to get into, you know, back and forth between the adult and the other side.
Oh, there's all these locks here.
Engrave your names, lock your love. It's not good to like lock, trap your love. It's a nice working spot, guys.
Yeah, prime. Hello.
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 Hello. Been resting. Y'all wore me out, I think.
You worked out too hard in the gym
I
today.
think I overworked.
We took my dad to the gym with us today. When was the last time you were in a gym?
It's been a minute. So what'd y'all get in?
We just worked. We didn't even make it to the beach.
You didn't make it to the beach?
No. But now we're gonna go to a bar party and then either swim on the beach on the other side of the resort or at that 16 plus pool.
I guess I can go with you.
Do you not want to go?
Yes, yeah.
And we're gonna go do archery over there. We have to go that way.
Yeah.
And we'll get ice cream.
Okay.
Do you want ice cream?
I haven't had any ice cream in a while.
And there you go. Let's go. Hey. Shake your body. Lose your mind. Come on, hold hands up. And there you go.
Tonight is our last night at the all-inclusive and we're having our last dinner. This selection is quite good tonight, so let's see what everyone's eating.
I got a slice of, what is this, vegetarian pizza, orange chicken, fried mushroom, chicken with mushroom, chicken wings, Caesar salad, and some spaghetti, what is it, like spaghetti.
Nice.
I got some quail. I got some kind of a funky potato. And I got some shrimp. And I got a fried mushroom. Okay?
I got lentil balls, hummus, French fries, some kind of Neapolitan potatoes or something, garlic bread, ravioli under there, and this is supposed to be a crab roll.
Really nice deck over here. Really cool, huh? Is it cold? Was it cold?
That was literally so freaking cold.
I'm scared to jump in now.
That's crazy.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So now you're gonna swim to the other side and meet us? Let's see you get in.
Oh,
Oh,
this is cold. It's really cold.
feel cold.
Oh my god. But there are so many fishes down here though. That was like swimming in an aquarium. And I saw almost like a shoal of around 100 fishes.
Coming to you.
Yeah, just curious.
Uh-huh.
Kind of confused. That was definitely worth it.
Was it?
Yeah. The beach is really rocky though, so
Yeah.
it's a good idea to have some kind of shoes when you go down there.
Really?
Just listening to the waves come in, rocking back and forth. There's nice sun, but nice shade at the same time.